He's got blue tape and he's got regular masking tape. The blue tape is for something. I know he's going to use that for something, but I'm not sure exactly what.
Cabinets and tomorrow for the trim, because it's still kind of fresh.
Oh,
so
okay, yeah. Yeah, see, he's going to use the blue. After he paints this, he's going to spray all this, right? He's going to spray it, and some of the finish of the spray is going to come up on the wall a little bit. But that's okay, because then when he paints the wall, coming down, it's going to be fine. But he's going to use the blue tape, and he's going to put that on the edge of the baseboard after the baseboard gets painted, okay? He's going to put the blue on there, making sure that's all nice and clean so it sticks. Because, oh, here he is.
There they are.
Look at that. That's called a sleeve.
Yes, sir.
Huh.
I got more in the garage.
Nice. And so after he gets the baseboard painted, he's going to put the blue tape on it, and the blue tape will release from paint that's only been cured 1 or 2 days. Is that only going to be cured about a day or two before you put the tape on there?
The blue? The blue one, yeah, it'll be cured for 1 day and it works.
Really?
And if we put the yellow tape, it's going to come right
It's
off.
no good. It's just going to peel the paint up.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And even if the paint has been cured, let's say the paint's been cured 2 weeks before you do a wall, you'd still want to use the blue tape, wouldn't you?
On cabinets as well.
On cabinets?
Because even if the cabinets are a couple years old, if you stick this tape on it, it's going to bring the finish out.
Right.
Not specifically on this cabinet.
Yeah, not on this. This is a pre-finish.
Yeah,
it's like a pre-finished melamine. But he's talking about if somebody's just repainted or just painted fresh cabinets that are paint grade cabinets, or even stain grade. I guess.
Absolutely.
Stain grade too. You'll put the blue tape on there, not regular masking tape. And I've actually seen. See how nice that looks? He's got that all done in a snap. Oh, he's got his little clips to still do up here. He'll come back and catch those. But what's the difference? The blue tape and the green. I've seen green frog tape, they call it.
Oh, the green frog tape, it helps you to do better lines if you can't do a line. So if you put, like example is, we're gonna make a line on the blue nose.
Yeah, or up there.
And you can go ahead and use the green tape, and it will give you a better line, a cleaner line.
Like the paint's not gonna seep through the backside.
Yep.
But I thought the blue tape, doesn't the blue tape work that way too?
It's supposedly it used to, but the green is better.
The green is better.
Yeah, it helps seal better.
It seals a little bit better. And of course the green tape, yep, you guessed it, it's more expensive than the blue tape. And that tape, ooh, okay. Oh, it's just some coffee drips. That's all. It's on the plastic at least.
I'll clean it up. No.
Is it? What is it?
It's probably the bag.
Oh. Oh, that little gun. His sprayer gun. Somebody came by here or something and it probably dripped out of it, huh?
Yep.
Okay, another good reason why he started plasticking off the floor first. I like that. Okay, so this one is all done and ready. See how he's done it like that? He's got it all done. See, he's only going to paint this first, and then he'll do the walls later. But you've got to go ahead. You might as well do the entire window. And now you know how that works. He's done a good job. So see the tops. He's going to put little pieces of masking tape on there. He'll have to repooch that one up there and do different things. He had a patch on the wall over there from an old motion sensor that we took down. Okay, so he's still prepping. Away he goes. He's still going. And once you know how to do one window, you know, you do your first one. As long as you see the technique, you're going to fight it a little bit on your first window, and then you just get better and better as you go, and you learn as you go. But this is the proper way to install plastic on a window. Just what he's doing. Then it's all about repetition, repetition, repetition. Yep. Hey, you got a lot more windows here. It looks like initially he was thinking they were going to start spraying about 2 o'clock. You got a few more windows to do here, son.
Yeah.
You may not spray today, huh?
My idea is to spray because as I start praying, he can continue asking.
Yeah. And if he doesn't, he's going to make the decision. If he starts spraying today, he starts today. But at some point, he's got to decide how far he wants to go. Does he want to do them all in one go? How late does he want to work? If he wants to come here tomorrow and start, maybe that's what he'll do. That's up to him on that. It's either going to do this door because they're going to do the door jamb on the other side. My word, that's a wide door jamb. They had to put plastic all in here because see, they got the baseboard. Isn't that cool? This is underneath the stairs, by the way. And it just happens to have baseboard in here. Usually underneath the stairs, sometimes it's not even finished with anything, or they got some carpet here, or they got concrete or whatever. They finished this out. I kind of like that because we can use this for storage area. I can even stand up above this or below this stairwell here. And they even finished off the floor nice. If you get a chance, do something like that. There was a wall bracket there, see, over there. So we've decided, hey, you got any brackets of any sort, go ahead and rehang it. I think that's for the vacuum system. If you want to wrap the hose up right there or whatever. Okay. Looks like they're doing a really good job getting this all done. See that hole right there? There was a cover plate there. It looks like the phone line came in from outside and they poked it through the wall. And then instead of cutting it and doing it properly, they just screwed a blank plate to the wall. You know what? Whoever did that, they didn't even put plastic anchors in the wall, did they? Look at that. They cheeseballed it years ago when they installed it. They just put a screw in there and they thought, oh, that's fine. Usually you put little plastic anchors in there. Then the screw. Silly people. Okay. You know, I'm not sure. I think they might still have to caulk the base. See the top edge of the baseboard. I don't know. I mean, if they see any little hairline cracks, it's a good idea to caulk that. See, like right down in there. But with the color change, it might not be needed. But let's go look over here. The baseboard is going to be painted a little bit brighter white, and if you have a white wall, if you don't have that baseboard nicely caulked, you're going to see a black line there. So, see this one. This looks nice from what they did before. But if you see any little lines, go ahead and caulk your base. Yeah, that goes for if you install it. You've got to have that caulked before you paint. I don't care how tight it is up against the wall. Okay. Well, thank you, sir, for explaining what you were doing and the different things you're doing. I'm trying not to get these guys wasting their time having me video them and stopping them what they're doing, but you know, they know how to talk and work at the same time. See, he's still going. Let's see how nice that is. And when they paint, after they get done painting, now they can take that masking tape off. They can take the masking tape, peel it right off. Oh yeah, he's got to get up on his ladder, you know, to get those tall ones. And by the way, when you see little bits, see like that, you'll caulk that, right? Before you paint and check stuff out. There's a couple areas where I saw stuff like that. Even on some of the doors up at the top, I've noticed there's a little hairline crack where the screws are, like there. It was only on a couple doors, so if you happen to see them, you can throw a little bit of caulk. Not on this door. It was on some other doors that I noticed. Where was it? Here's one right here. See, Kimmy? See that up there? It's like, and I didn't even put any screws here. It's like whoever installed this initially, when they put their screws in, believe it or not, this piece here cracked. See there? There's a little hairline crack there. I don't care about that one, but it's like, why on earth would that have cracked? But it did. And so hopefully if you find a good painter, they'll go ahead and caulk that, especially because it's a white door. So I'm just, okay. Good deal.
If you cut it too short,
Oh, he cut it too.
so you just cut it
Okay.
a little piece of paper.
He cut it a little short. I'm not supposed to see this part.
Oh no. Hey, Payne's here. Yes, sir.
Ah, se ve como el viejillo.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I guess I better get back at it. I've got some stuff to do upstairs.
Con años